proclaim the incarnation of Christ, your Son.
You guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right? Hit the subscribe button right here. You rock. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture, authored by yours faithfully, Martin on Scriptures. Okay, check it out on Amazon.com. Yeah, stick around for the news now.
MARTIN 103.5FM Ogidi presents Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high-life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for MARTIN 103.5FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at MARTIN 103.5FM Ogidi opposite Ogunike Boys inside European Residency Hotel Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080 6579 6599. Listen to news updates on MARTIN 103.5FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. MARTIN FM breaks the news with actualities. I believe
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM news update. Today, Thursday, the 9th day of January 2025, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines: Anambra Catholic priest switched to traditional religion after 17 years. Court orders interim forfeiture of 228.4 million naira traced to Theodi Oji. Police arrest 75 suspects and rescue 7 victims during Yuletide in Imo. Police confirm kidnap of 2 Catholic nuns in Anambra. Victor Osimhen, Liverpool eye Super Eagles star as a replacement for £85 million of flop. Mexico's President Sheinbaum gives a sarcastic retort to Trump's Gulf of America comment. Now, details. Anambra Catholic priest switched to traditional religion after 17 years. Dr. Echezona Obiagbo Sogo, a former Catholic priest who served for 17 years, has announced his decision to transition from priesthood to the exploration of African traditional religion. Currently a lecturer specializing in African traditional religion at Nnamdi Azikiwe University in Awka, Anambra State, Dr. Obiagbo Sogo's journey into this spiritual realm was profoundly influenced by his fascination with traditional African spirituality and the practice of rainmaking. Wednesday, following the successful defense of his PhD dissertation titled Rainmaking and Control in Igbo African Medicine, he articulated his belief that Africa harbors vast resources and values that have been significantly diminished by colonial influences. Dr. Obiagbo Sogo shared that he had dedicated several months to studying under an esteemed native doctor, absorbing the nuisance of this ancient practice. His research aims to uncover and reclaim these lost African values. He stated, I have concluded that my true vocation lies in serving my community through the tradition of our forebears. My experience as a Catholic priest evolved into a deeper connection with traditional African spirituality, he stated. Court orders interim forfeiture of 228.4 million naira traced to Theodi Oji. A federal high court in Abuja has made an order of interim freezing and forfeiture of the sum of over 228.4 million naira linked to former Governor Theodi Oji of Abia State to federal government on allegations of money laundering. Justice Emeka Nwite, in a ruling on an ex parte motion moved by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission EFCC lawyer Fadila Yusuf, also directed the EFCC to make a publication of order on its website and the newspaper. According to Justice Nwite's order, interested parties should show cause within 14 days of the publication of order. The judge adjourned the matter until February 3rd for report of compliance. Newsman reports that Mr. Oji also served as a two-term senator representing Abia Central Senatorial District before his retirement from active politics. The anti-graft agency had in the motion ex parte mark FHC ABJ CS 03B 2025 brought the suit pursuant to Section 44, subsection 2B of the 1999 Constitution as amended. Police arrest 75 suspects, rescue 7 victims during Yuletide in Imo. Imo State Police Commissioner Aboki Danjuma has said that the command arrested 75 criminal suspects and rescued 7 kidnapped victims during the just concluded celebrated Yuletide season. He said this, his men also recovered 7 AK-47 rifles, 7 4 shotguns, 3 pump-action guns, and over 150 rounds of ammunition in the same period. Danjuma disclosed this at the formal decoration of 102 officers of the command who were recently promoted to the new ranks by the Police Service Commission held at the command's headquarters in Owerri on Tuesday. The Imo police boss stated that the achievement underscored the unwavering commitment of the men of the command under his leadership in crime fighting and the protection of lives and property in the state. He said, as we celebrate this achievement, let us also reflect on the progress we've made together. During the recent year-time period, our officers led intelligence-driven operations that resulted in the arrest of 75 suspects involved in serious crimes like kidnapping, armed robbery, murder, and rape. Police confirm kidnap of 2 Catholic nuns in Anambra. The police command in Anambra has confirmed the kidnap of 2 Catholic nuns allegedly kidnapped by yet to be identified unknown gunmen along Ufma Road, Urumba North local government area of the state. The command's public relations officer SP Tochukwu Kenga confirmed the kidnap incident in a statement issued in Onitsha and made available to newsmen on Wednesday. Mr. Kenga noted that the incident happened on Tuesday evening when the nuns were returning from a vocational service meeting in Oboji. The police spokesperson explained that the joint security operation was already ongoing for the possible rescue of 2 victims. He added that the Commissioner of Police, Nange Itam, alongside the Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of operations, visited the scene for a spot assessment. He stated that the command was already working with some clues for the possible arrest of the suspects and rescue of the victims. Mr. Ikenga said, "Now further details shall be communicated." You're welcome back to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. We apologize for that little break in transmission, but we are back to serve you better. And still on the news, Victor Osimhen, Liverpool eyes Super Eagles star as a replacement for £85 million flop. English Premier League giants Liverpool are big admirers of Super Eagles striker Victor Osimhen and could sign him as a Darwin Núñez replacement. Osimhen has drawn a lot of interest from top teams across Europe due to his consistently impressive performances. The 26-year-old striker was heavily linked with Arsenal, Manchester United, and Chelsea last season, but all talks have failed to materialize as none of them put a decent offer on the table. This season, Osimhen is on loan at Galatasaray from Napoli, but he has continued to prove his worth. The former Lille man has produced 13 goals and 5 assists in 16 appearances for the Lions. There have been a lot of speculations about a possible transfer to Manchester United this January, but nothing concrete has happened yet. Now, in a new development, Liverpool could enter the mix. Liverpool really admire Victor Osimhen, and the hierarchy view him as the ideal replacement for Darwin Nunes. You are listening to News Update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Mexico's President Sheinbaum gives a sarcastic retort to Trump's Gulf of America comment. Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum responded sarcastically on Wednesday to U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's proposal to change the name of the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America. Standing before a global map in her daily press briefing, Sheinbaum proposed dryly that North America should be renamed America Mexicana or Mexican America because a founding document dating from 1814 that preceded Mexico's constitution referred to it that way. That sounds nice. No, she added with a sarcastic tone. She also noted that the Gulf of Mexico had been named the way since 1607. The exchange has started to answer a larger question lingering over the bilateral relationship between the regional powers. How would newly elected Sheinbaum handle Trump's strong-handed diplomatic approach and the promises of mass deportations and crippling of taxes on trading partners like Mexico? This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Anambra Catholic priest switched to traditional religion after 17 years. Court orders interim forfeiture of 228.4 million naira traced to Theodi Orji. Police arrest 75 suspects, rescue 7 victims during Yuletide in Imo. Police confirm kidnap of Catholic nuns in Anambra. Victor Osimhen, Liverpool eye Super Eagles star as a replacement for £85 million of love. Mexico's president Sheinbaum gives a sarcastic retort to Trump's Gulf of America comment. You just listened to News Updates on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Ifeanyi Shuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
Listen to news updates on Ebonadi 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonadi FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are looking for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
that guy we need to.
Ebonadi 103.5 FM. Nababoa Production.
Not my business.
When I will tell you FGJ radio drama, Erico. Akụkọ ihe mere iwe
AGJ radio drama, Ewigo, Ghana Dialogue, every Monday, 8 o'clock p.m. with a repeat broadcast on Saturday, 3 o'clock p.m. Now, upon at 103.5 FM.
If you move and finish your business,
Amara mi le wa di amo. Ko kuna ka do na na ko na ni ko na ye. Nke ka ku ke wona na ma wo kuna ye mo le.
Ekokwana ka call dinka call. Born at the 103.5 FM, Ogidi presents Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Are you an upcoming model, actor, rap, R&B, gospel, reggae, or high life musician? Are you trying to find your footing on social media? Do you want to earn money with talents and skills? Do not look any further. Sign up for Ebona, the 103.5 FM Media Talent Hunt and Skill Acquisition Show. Today, you will have the opportunity to learn and become an expert in video coverage, photography, film editing, music production, advertising and social media marketing, content creation, filmmaking, radio drama, magazine production, and many more. Register today at Ebona, the 103.5 FM Ogidi, opposite Ogunite Boys, inside Leofin Residency Hotel, Ogidi. For more information, call or WhatsApp 080-6579-6599. Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political views come to you at Ebona, the 103.5 FM. It's Martin every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders. And most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebona 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm. Every Monday and Saturday, what are your political views? Keep a date.
Ndị be anyị ekele m unu. Afọ m bụ Nwaada Okoye Mmesoma Eric. Abụ m Adaogidi 2024/2025. Achọkwaziri m iji ohere a wee kelee Igbo bụ Igbo niile, ndị Ogidi niile, ndị kwadoro anyị na Adaogidi nke afọ a. Nna asị na Chineke ga-agọzi anyị ncha niile n'otu n'otu. Afọ a ga-abụ afọ ọma nye anyị ncha. Chukwu gọzie unu.
Abụ onye Anambra mụrụ ọda gengem na ọ na-abụ mbata Anambra steeti na-achọ ebe ife na-eme ọ dịka enwe ife na-akọ m. Ya wee kpee ezigbote enyi m nwoke wee jụbịa kedu ebe ife na-eme na Anambra steeti. Ọ wee sị m ka na manụbe maka Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi. M were sị enyi m nwoke ọ gịnị na-eme na Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi. Ọ sị m chelụ m na ebe ọ na-achọ ịpịa m na-abụ ole sị m na enwe executive rooms and suites na Ogidi na Residency. Sị m ka m ejego na dia restaurant ka akatigodo m na chef fadebelode na aka adọrọkwa ya mmanụ ibe a na-esi esi ka ọkwa nlisie mkpọ. Wee sịsịa m na m bịaja na dia outdoor arena ebe a na-eme ma wedding, traditional marriage, dedication, naming ceremony, shows and displays. Sị m na banwe swimming pool na ọkwa nwepụ ka weda si dị nkwunye onwe m n'ime mmiri lozi apụ na enwefe na wee taa aka sị na ebe a dịkọta ibe m na-eme. Aga m anọ na Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi ka nwa aṅụrị tọla atọ. Ezi enyi m gwalụ m nwanne na Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi dị well secured in a serene environment. Ọ dị na kilomita 13 Old Enugu Onitsha Expressway. Sorokwa m maka ana m eje de enwe fon nọmba onye m ga-eji buku ya na 08140933512. Ana m akpọfa just now ka m bukuo.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 FM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive. Make it a date
with Martin, aka Metal, on Ebona the 103.5 FM.
From Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m.
on the morning drive.
103.5 FM.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be,
our government,
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street report is here with hardcore.
Okay, where are you calling us from? Where is that in my number? Okay, come to Ebona area time. Yes, tomorrow by, okay, if it's in the morning, let it be by 10, 11. Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share, right? You rock. Hit the subscribe button right here. Check this book out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by just faithfully Martin on Ebeonadi, okay? You rock. Yeah, I love you. Where?